The proverb is talking to our senators then.
Senator well.
If you be senator and well. What's our quote of the? What's your quote? Quote of the.
Okay, now
you have a quote for us.
So the quote is from the Dalai Lama.
Delilah. Who is that? Delilah.
No, Dalai Lama is
Okay.
I don't know. He's I keep mistaking him for monk. Well, he's not a monk. He's I think he's a monk. He's one of monk or Buddhist. No, he's not a Buddhist. He's a monk. He's famous for. I don't know. There's the Dalai Lama.
Is he Indian or
Yeah, Asian. The Dalai Lama is like a post, a term for a post attributed to one person, like the Pope now. So there's the Dalai Lama, the first, second, third. Like,
so like a priest.
Yeah, so I don't know which of the Dalai Lama said this, which particular one. But he said I'll tell you about there's something famous about the Dalai Lama where he mentioned the. Okay, let's talk about it later. Anyways, the quote is: "The purpose of our lives is to be happy."
Wow, that's simple.
Very simple. We thought it would be long.
I think it will be a Buddha. It will be a Buddhist.
No, it's not a Buddhist. I met a Buddhist who I told about the Dalai Lama. Then she said, "No, the Dalai Lama is not Buddhist."
It's not a Buddhist. Really? Okay, that's quite interesting.
I was one that said this, that we have wide roads but narrow mindsets. We have too many experts but less solution. He did one writing like that. Very interesting writing. We have tall people but short temper. Different things. Just.
Oh, okay. I saw a similar stuff like that. I think this guy is from maybe, I don't know. Sounds like East African. He was saying some similar quotes like that.
Maybe like, who you're talking about is Jay Shetty.
I didn't see his name. He was saying stuff of
him through Jay Shetty and Prince EA as well.
Oh, that Prince EA guy! Wow, and that guy is still doing his motivational talks. So he has.
No, he won't stop.
I've not it's been a while. I've seen his videos.
Subscribe to his video.
Okay, so African proverb is coming from me because I'm an African.
Hey, talk your shit.
And as a Yoruba man, so my African proverb is: the dawn of daybreak. Has caught the bat unaware of its environment. So let me say it in Yoruba.
Okay.
Ìyẹn wípé ojúmọ́ tó ká àdán ní ìta ó ti jẹ́ kí ó ti jẹ́ kó gọ́ka rẹ̀. The proverb is talking to our senators then.
Senator well.
If you be senator and well. I'm not. This is not even about maybe corruption and whatever. That one is no longer new. But about 3 weeks ago, when this whole coronavirus stuff was trending, at the airport, there was the news about that people were saying that the senators, the big politicians in Nigeria, they refused to fill forms and get tested for coronavirus.
Senators?
Yes. At the airport, not just senators, like the big men, Nigerian big men, like, me, you want to test me, come on, get away. So that stuff was trending on Twitter, that all these people refused to get tested. So they thought money can fight the corona for them. But anyways, that is another story.
What if corona
beer? Yeah, I miss corona beer. Yeah, quarantine get away.
Yeah.
Okay, so should we go for fun facts?
Yeah, fun fact.
I have my fun fact is a snail can sleep for more than 3 years at a time.
Sleep?
Did you know that? Yeah. a snail can go to sleep for just 3 years. Just chilling. That's what we need this quarantine. Everybody needs to go into snail mode.
Oh, that's why we've seen many shells without the snails in them.
Yeah.
Something just come and eat them
and they
while
just
sleeping.
yeah.
Gokara.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, Gokara. That's true. So finally, let's go right into it. Coronavirus is Corona time. Corona is the star boy Wheezy of our time right now. Corona. But I think they should. It might sound very controversial right now. Like the Instagram comedians or content writers right now, they are making too much jokes about this corona, and it's getting annoying. I think.
Yeah,
something.
Same thoughts. Yeah, same thoughts. Yeah, I think it's something that is this serious. We're joking about it. Too many jokes about it. In fact,
no. Some jokes are like, how will I put it? Are not like that out of the box, but some are just like it's getting too much. Even on Twitter now, there are reports of like fake news and all that.
And fake accounts. Facebook is blocking those fake news about coronavirus.
It's crazy, but we can't say that. Okay, these people should start arresting them, but they can pass a law that because this is an emergency time, Even the laws of how will I put it? If you are not isolating, that they will arrest you and all that. It's just for the meantime, you get. But Nigeria now.
Do you believe
they're gonna pass the law?
Do you believe Russia put out 500 lions to keep Russians out of coming out?
No, I don't think so.
You didn't see the news?
I didn't see that
news. I think that's number one fake news that changed.
That's too much.
If you put 500 lions, then you need to put chip in them to track them.
Yeah.
But there's one I saw in one state in USA where these animals with spots, dotted skin, not wild animals, no.
Okay, not wild animals.
The ones they hunt regularly.
Oh dear.
They're already out. They're out on the street walking because of the isolation.
Oh, okay. Like there's nobody here now. Let's flex. Oh, that's crazy. But I had like Putin said like if you are not on isolation or something like that, they can send you to jail or something.
Yeah, it's 5 years imprisonment.
Yeah. Those ones they're not playing. But
they don't need your money. Yeah, they will give you jarima. Those ones need money.
Those ones things are when things are in place. But here is Nigeria that they want to start doing all those other stuff.
And that even brings me to Seun Kuti's. Should we talk about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Seun Kuti responded. He said the self-isolation thing and stay indoor thing is European thing. Like it cannot work in Africa. And I kind of feel his argument. His argument is that the Chinese didn't use self-isolation to. I don't know if it's true or not. He said the Chinese
they use self-isolation.
I think his problem is the Chinese did not say self-isolation. They like put the whole city
quarantine
or lockdown. He said he said how can people living in face me and face you self-isolate, sharing one bathroom? How's it possible? And
that's
he kind of got to me. I was like, yeah, it's true. Then he said there are no slums in Europe. No, that's a lie now. No slums in Europe.
Sometimes you can be educated, but what you are not educated about, you will not understand it. You get. Even if there are 20 people living in a 5-bedroom apartment, and their house, their building is on lockdown, it will work. If they lock their building down and they don't allow anybody in that building to come outside, if at the end of the day, if all of them get infected with coronavirus and they can't come out, the isolation is working now because the neighbors can't catch the virus. So his point doesn't make sense. That is the meaning of isolation
Yeah.
or quarantine or whatever.
I don't know.
Baba is always trying to.
Yeah, I was thinking that what would he have Nigerian government do? Say, okay, everybody should walk around in covered with balloons or something. There's no way. Still the same thing we do. Say it's an European idea. Okay. I'm like, okay, why not tell us something that give us what you can do now. If you can think, I mean, you can find solutions. And you've thought.
He's trying to be a philosopher, but philosophy without science sometimes. He's a philosopher, but philosophy without science sometimes can be deadly. Like
and he attacks government, anything. If the government say they are sharing 5 million, you say no. 500 million is better.
Yeah, I understand. There's nobody that will attack the government that won't have a point these days because it's now it's whack. Everything is whack.
But now,
so I talk about Seun Kuti. I remember the Naira Marley and Zlatan. I think all this Zlatan gone and is any small thing like always talking about money. Naira Marley, people, how will I say? People were coming for Naira Marley for saying he doesn't believe in coronavirus.
Naira Marley didn't say he does not believe in coronavirus. I saw that tweet. He said, "Do you believe in coronavirus?" That's what he said. He didn't just say he did not believe in coronavirus.
I understand, but it is two ways. Me, I didn't come for Naira Marley for that because. I saw like the punchline in it, but in a way too, he was trying to also mock the coronavirus stuff. There was another tweet he mentioned. He said, 50 confirmed cases. He made a tweet, 50 confirmed cases, 50 new confirmed cases in Lekki. Then he now left space of new pregnant Olusho or something like that. So he was just trying to. So even if I'm going to try to support him for the first tweet, or defend him for the first tweet, I can't defend the second one. You get. And what will Zlatan come out and say that you borrowed money for hotspots to yap Naira Marley instead of you to go and look for giveaway? That guy is always, whenever they yap him for being dumb, he's always bringing money into it. I'm so happy this time around.
Yeah.
A lot of people came for him. You get. And on Twitter, Twitter is not for people like Zlatan. Twitter, I'm telling you, Twitter is more like how will I put it? Like it's a middle class how will I put it? Social media
platform. Yeah.
It's like a middle class platform because there are a lot of educated people on Twitter, and that's where people like. There's always every day there's a debate going on. There's nothing like that on Instagram. Instagram is just funny stuff. People showing boobs. They show boobs on Twitter too and all that. But at the end of the day, it's Twitter. You see people like Sega Link doing discussions. You get. So Twitter is not for people like Zlatan to come and be talking crap and all that. But people, if you go and check the comments, like people were really coming for him. Like, should be your music, don't they work? I was like, you guys are really coming for him.
Zlatan. There was one I even saw yesterday. There was one tweet. The girl tweeted that since everyone is silent, I have to speak up. Zlatan's Egungun, be careful, it's trash. There's Zlatan.
No.
You saw that one?
I did see that one. Zlatan replied that.
Then Zlatan replied. He said, I think 50K for anybody that give this girl a comeback. Then, unknowingly for him, people are
attacked him.
People attacked him back. Someone said, why not? What did the person say? Why not give the 50K to somebody to make your music better or something? You think she's they bashed him.
That's how will I say, that's time, because if you keep doing stuff, you get, they might first support you, but later people will stop. Like there was a video too, like even though a lot of people said like it was one guy captioned it wrongly, like Zlatan and Burna Boy, they were singing Rema song, so Zlatan was just doing the and then Burna Boy now said, now we did they talk for the song without to. You get, but the guy now said, "Look at these people trying to mock Rema." That was the caption he put. But a lot of people now said, see 8,000, like they were just vibing to the song.
Yeah.
That it happened. And really, when I watched the video, like I think they were just vibing to the song. So one other guy too was just dancing and enjoying himself. Like, okay, but that shows like these guys right now, like because of their controversial things that they've been saying for a while now, people are giving them it. Somebody even there was a comment. Somebody said very soon. He now wrote Mr. Easy and Ice Prince. But the thing, I don't like how will I say? I don't like coming for Ice Prince because Ice Prince is not always a controversial person. So
yeah,
it just happened that maybe he's not releasing like new stuff and all that. But apart from that, Mr. Easy, I'm not sorry for him, but the guy is a brilliant guy. He has businesses and all that.
Yeah.
So let's hope Zlatan is smart enough to build businesses because Nigerian music, like
but what do you think about this? Egungun Be Careful compared to Skibi's own?
Skibi.
Yeah.
His own is more energetic, but
whose own is more energetic?
Zlatan, like, but I like Skibi's own too. Skibi's own is more like a song, like a chill Afrobeat song.
Yeah.
But the thing is, because of the energy, the Zanko and everything, definitely Zlatan sounds better. But the song is
Zlatan
a hit
sounds
now.
better. Are you joking?
It's a hit song now. Right now we are in Zanko period now. But I like if you are going to say
careful. I think Zlatan.
Okay, don't let me say sound like
Zlatan's Egungun Be Careful sounds like the original version. Is that Fuji thing? But Skibi did it in our own pop.
like a song. Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Zlatan
Skibi's song.
a band like trash is Zlatan.
No, it's not trash. The song is a party song. Skibi's own is a normal song. Like you can like enjoy it. Zlatan's song. After a while, you are going to get tired of it. Like, imagine like you have a playlist and you are trying to relax after like 3 months now. The song now comes on. You will not wake up and like, come on. You change the song.
Hey.
So that's it though.
I mean, UBA is giving out $4 million to the entire Africa.
For the coronavirus.
So 1 billion is going to
Nigeria.
Lagos. 1 billion naira is going to let me see. 1 billion naira is going to Lagos. Lagos has the highest. No, not Lagos.
Yeah, Lagos has the highest cases. Like, I think the total in Nigeria now is 57, right?
Yeah, so 2.8 million USD is going to Lagos State alone. Then 2.8 also is going to, they say, Center for Medical and Equipment Supplies. Medical Centers and Equipment Supplies. Which country? We don't know.
Jack, is it Jack Ma or Jack M.A.? I don't even know how to pronounce his last name.
Jack Ma.
Jack Ma. His donations has gotten to Nigeria.
And they moved everything to Abuja.
And is that not crazy? Like, they are like maybe just 2 or 3 cases in Abuja. Is it not supposed to land in Lagos? And that's senatorial, this power, this thing. They think all those things can help them. There was a news that they were trying to sneak the senators out of Nigeria.
Yeah.
So people were like tweeting, like, if you are working in airport and all that, like go and check. Don't let them sneak these people out of Nigeria. Yeah, I can hear you now.
So the news that Buhari is coughing, they said it's fake.
DC, all the news about Buhari being sick, they always say that it's fake. At the end of the day, you hear that he traveled for treatment abroad. So that look at this now. How, like, what is the percentage of him not having the coronavirus? His right hand man, that Kiari man guy, has it. And they've been in a lot of events. They've been shaking hands and all that.
He might have
If it was,
shook hand with the chief of defense staff without touching his face.
and the high risk places, Buhari have been traveling like all this like 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago. Like I heard I was in one stuff, maybe in Germany. Oh, that was Kiari was in Germany.
Yeah.
I think maybe that was where he caught the stuff. So
Even Dangote,
It's-
they said Dangote might have contracted it as well.
it's like all the some people are like this one is like the virus is the elite virus, like it's going for the big people, the celebrities. They said there was a party that
AMVCA.
not even MVCA, the one in there was a big party like senators in London. 2 people already died from that party.
Oh shit.
Like and fine people, a lot of people from that party like they are like big old people and celebrities or something like that. Now they are saying AMVCA, people that went for AMVCA, that they should be in self-isolation. I saw a tweet yesterday. Somebody said, all of you that went for AMVCA, stop deleting your picture.
Yeah, I deleted pictures already. Oh god.
I swear, it's just crazy. How can the deadliest thing be like the funniest stuff? Like,
Oh yeah.
I don't understand. Though.
But what do you think about the 10,000 naira that Atiku is saying Buhari should give to all Nigerians with the BVN thing?
Huh?
Atiku is proposing for the government 10,000 naira to all Nigerians that are registered with BVN to keep up.
To stock up.
Yeah, to stock up or to keep up with people that are out of work right now, to keep up with the coronavirus.
It's good now. Every help is good. Like all of a sudden, Atiku is trying to help Nigerians after his son tested positive for coronavirus. Now all these people, they are trying to improve the health sector to help because they cannot travel out. Coronavirus is the bad guy. All these artists, all these rappers now, instead of rappers are always trying to rap that they are bad guys. I'm Don Corleone, I'm this, I'm that. All that one is gone. The baddest guy is in town now. Starboy G, Corona.
Just before we started this video, I saw one movie on Netflix. The name is I don't remember the name, but the guy was talking about in episode 10, about 50 something minutes. It's a Chinese movie. Maybe not Chinese. Okay. Everything to Americans is Chinese. Any Asians then is Chinese. You're talking about coronavirus